In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a swipe file in Obsidian so you can save and organize your best marketing examples, headlines, and ad copy in one searchable space. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. And let's get right into it. First, open Obsidian and then open the vault where you want to keep your swipe file. You can use an existing vault or create a fresh one. But the key is that everything we build today lives inside this single vault, so it stays portable and easy to maintain. Once your vault is open, click the New Folder button. Name this folder, Swipe File, and press Enter. This will become your home base for every piece of copy you want to save. Now click on that Swipe File folder to select it, then click New Folder again. Name this folder, Swipe File Dashboard. This dashboard note is where you'll eventually link everything together, so it's important to set it up right from the start. Inside the Swipe File folder once more. Click New Folder and create separate subfolders for each type of content you collect: headlines, emails, landing pages, social media, ads, and sales pages. This structure keeps your swipe file organized by format, so you never have to dig through a messy pile of notes later. Open the Headlines folder, then click New Note. Name this note Headline Examples. Paste in any headline examples you want to save and use headings to group them by category. For instance, you could create a heading for benefit-driven headlines and another for curiosity gaps. This makes it easy to scan later when you need quick inspiration. Next, open the Emails folder and click New Note. Name it Email Swipe Examples. Paste your email examples here and add a few notes about what makes each one effective. Call out the subject line, the opening hook, or the call to action. To add tags, simply type copywriting, #marketing, email, and ads right in the note. Tags let you filter across all your folders later. To link related notes, type headline examples with double brackets, and Obsidian will create a clickable link straight to that note. Finally, open your swipe file dashboard note. Press Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on Mac to bring up the command palette. You can now search for any swipe file instantly by typing a keyword. There you have it. You've built a fully searchable, organized swipe file in Obsidian. Happy collecting, and I'll see you in the next one.